Hello friends, today I will discuss the equivalent circuit of three-phase induction motor. This is the equivalent circuit of the three-phase induction motor. It is just similar to the transformer equivalent circuit per phase, and only difference here is between the stator and rotor there is no core, it is only air core. So it's air only, so that's why here it's only no core provided. And here this V1 is called the applied voltage per phase to the stator of the three-phase induction motor per phase, and this I1 is the input current per phase to the stator, and R1 is the stator winding resistance per phase, and X1 is the stator reactance per phase, and this is the I0 no load current, and this is IC core loss component, and IM is the magnetizing component, and XM is the magnetizing reactance, and RC is the core loss resistance, and this I1 dash is the current flowing, and E1 is the induced EMF per phase in the stator winding, and this is the turns ratio called K, and this is the rotor circuit. Here S is slip, and E2 is the induced EMF in the rotor per phase when the rotor is at standstill condition. When it is multiplied with the S, then it's called the induced EMF in the rotor per phase under running conditions. And this I2 is the rotor current per phase, and X2 is the reactance of the rotor winding per phase, and once it is multiplied with S, then it is called the reactance of the rotor per phase under running conditions, and this R2 is the rotor reactance per phase. And here turns ratio means it is equal to T2 by T1. Here T2 is called the number of turns per phase on the rotor, and T1 is the number of turns per phase on the stator, and E2 is the induced EMF per phase in the rotor under standstill conditions, and E1 is the induced EMF in the stator winding per phase, and I1 is the input current to the stator, and I2 is the current flowing in the rotor circuit. So R2 dash means here it is the rotor resistance per phase referred to the stator side. To get that value, multiply with T1 by T2 whole square with R2, and then X2 dash means it is the rotor reactance per phase referred to the stator side, that is nothing but T1 by T2 whole square into X2, and I1 is equal to I2 dash, and I2 dash is nothing but the rotor current referred to the stator side, and E2 dash is nothing but the rotor induced EMF referred to the stator side, which is also equal to E1, provided the turns ratio between rotor and stator is unity. Then similarly I2 dash is equal to I2 into T2 by T1, and E2 dash is equal to E2 into T1 by T2. So if there is a variation between the T1 and T2, we use this. Then this is the equivalent circuit of the induction motor per phase. So here is S, here also S. So in the rotor circuit, divide all the element with S, so that the next circuit will come like this. This is E2, and this is JX2, this is R2 by S. The rest of the circuit to the left, that is stator circuit, remains same. And now for this circuit, add R2 and subtract R2, then we get the circuit like this. Adding the R2 like this and subtract that is minus R2, with this R2 by S minus R2 means still the net value of R2 is nothing but R2 by S only. Then further so here R2 is there, so that can be taken out as common. Then we get a new circuit like this, R2 into 1 by S minus 1, and this R2 into 1 by S minus 1 is called the dynamic load across the rotor of the three-phase induction motor. Next, when the circuits are two and the device is only one, the analysis will become very difficult mathematically. So to simplify this equivalent circuit, so we have to transfer the elements of rotor circuit to the stator side. When we transfer them, they become E2 dash, R2 dash, X2 dash and I2 dash, similarly R2 dash into 1 by S minus 1. So then we get like this, that X2 is transferred here, so it becomes J into X2 dash, and R2 transferred to stator side, so we write here R2 dash. Similarly R2 dash into 1 by S minus 1 is coming in place of R2 into 1 by S minus 1. Similarly E2 is replaced with the E2 dash, which is also equal to E1. Similarly that I2 will become I2 dash, which is equal to the I1 dash. And this circuit is valid irrespective of the rating of the three-phase induction motor, and it gives the accurate values. But for analysis simplification, presence of this no load components in the middle of the circuit is very difficult. So to avoid this, the motors are classified into two categories. Low rating, that is three-phase induction motor whose HP is less than 5 HP is called low, and whereas for a high HP three-phase induction motor rating is 5 HP and above. So whether it is a low HP rating or high HP rating of the three-phase induction motor, the no load current I0 is approximately 25% to 40% of the rated current. For the small motors it matters, so only this circuit is to be used for analyzing the performance, whereas for high rating induction motors the 40% of full load current is nothing, so this components can be safely moved across the supply, and still the accuracy is near to the accurate value, or the error is very less. Then the equivalent circuit will become like this. This circuit is valid only for high rating three-phase induction motor, and this is called approximate equivalent circuit. And if we observe here, this is R1, this is R2 dash, this is X1, this is X2 dash, means all the passive elements are in series. So these passive elements can be lumped, that is R1, R2 dash. Similarly X1, X2 dash can be lumped. So then the circuit will become like this, R1 plus R2 dash, and this is X1 plus X2 dash. This R1 plus R2 dash we call it as RP bar, that is the total resistance of the three-phase induction motor per phase referred to the stator side, and XP bar is nothing but the total reactance of the three-phase induction motor per phase referred to the stator side. And this is the the electrical equivalent of mechanical load connected, that is R2 dash into 1 by S minus 1, and this is E1 is equal to E2 dash. And if you look at this I0 is nothing but vector sum of IC and IM, and whereas I1 is nothing but vector sum of I0 and I1 dash. And the final equivalent circuit will come like this.